I want my own wonderful co-creative experience at work. We have this event planned for when I return from this great holiday that I manifested for myself. And I just feel that it could be such a wonderful experience for everybody there, benefiting the whole organization, taking us to so much further with everything we do, and with everything I do, and with everything I love.
You've laid a really good vibrational basis for this, and we get a sense of what you're talking about. So now, if you can, and you can because you're right there, transport yourself to some specific moment in time where something thrilling has happened, and have a conversation with someone about it in as much detail as you can.
Oh, it's so great that you came to this event.
Who are you talking to?
To an important person in this organization who is interested, who I know is interested in what I do.
And why do you want to talk to this person?
Because I think he can move things in the organization. He has the broader perspective. He can reach people that can co-create with me and
so this is a key person. You feel this is a key person to something that will come later.
Yeah.
And you can feel that this has been cooking up in the vortex already. And so now you're in that moment where you're not trying to convince him. He's already in. And these are the things that you're saying to him now that it has been decided by both of you that you're co-creating together. You follow? Can you feel the difference in that? This isn't something that you're wanting to make happen. This isn't something that you're yearning for. This isn't something that you're scrambling about. This is something that is a sure thing, and you're experiencing the satisfaction of the manifestation through your words.
This feels so good. It feels so good to co-create with you and to feel the benefit of what we created here together. It's so good to have you in the boat, to feel this, to experience this.
I've had my eye on you for a long time because I knew these qualities
that you have. I know
which are specifically
targeted at the benefit of what we can create together.
What we want to hear are the specific talents and reasons. What you're doing is confirming the perfection of this person and reflecting it back. In other words, can you feel how when you know the value of something and you're reflecting it, can you feel the synergy that you get going back and forth? And so speak it for your benefit and for his.
I know that you have the insight. I know that you know how great it can be to co-create this. I know that you
I've listened to you, I've watched you, I've heard your words, I've seen you move people. I can feel the power of your being. I recognize the fullness of who you are.
I can feel your appreciation for people, for these wonderful, gifted people who can benefit each other and who are in this co-creative dance.
There's no offness here, but there can be more effective specifics. Do you feel that this conversation that you're having between you and this person, can you feel that if you were having that conversation, as you look forward, anticipating having that conversation, can you feel the explosions that would be taking place within you at having that conversation? And so as you have that opportunity to have that conversation, what do you in a focused way want to make sure that he walks away from that conversation understanding that you understand? What understanding are you wanting to convey to that person? Can you feel the power of this? What are you wanting to convey to this dynamic person who is not the only thing that is essential to the unfolding of this, but it is a pivotal thing? What do you want to say? What are you saying?
I so appreciate that you have seen me as the person who has a wonderful insight in this organization, who loves so many people here and appreciates what every single one of them can do, and that I'm the one who can bring them together and orchestrate this wonderful co-creation to move us to levels that we've never even thought we can.
All right, it's still too general. Get more specific.
I'm an interpreter and translator, and I want to create an interpreting service at this organization that is in this perfect place where it can benefit the whole organization, and where I can make sure that there's an exchange of experience.
All right, so say this to him.
I so appreciate that you know what I can do, that I can actually be in a place where I can be the missing link, the essential link to what you've always been looking for to make this run smoothly and to improve our...
All right, so what's happening here? You're still doing a sort of sales job. You're still trying to make something happen that you feel has not happened. And it's easy to step into that, isn't it? Because the whole of you knows that it hasn't happened yet. But what this game is about being in the receptive mode, so much there, so there, and you're close enough, so there that now it is a reality that you are articulating. Not something that you're hoping to have happen or wanting to make happen, but something that, as far as you are concerned, and as far as your vortex is concerned, and as far as your inner being is concerned, and as far as you are concerned, it has already happened. And so now this game that we're playing is for the pleasure. This game that we are playing is just for the pleasure of hearing the words that confirm the way you feel. You see what we're getting at?
Oh, it's so much fun to be in this place, to experience this dance.
I've been watching you for a long time, and the idea of putting my words to back up your words, to find the perfect words to explain things to others. I am a communicator, and I'm in the communication business, and so are you. And your communication is limited to some extent, and my communication will enhance the communication that you've already got going. So I'm sort of an extension of the perfection that you've already got going. Since there's something so wonderful that's already going on, I will be an extension of that for you, and masses will benefit from the collaboration that we are about. Doesn't that feel good?
Oh.
And isn't that exactly what you're talking about? Yes. Really good. This is really, really, really good. Really good. Really good. Yes.